No, I don't believe a life in other planets. I think it's really more better to be woman than a man. The first reason I think is that women have to give birth to children, so it's so important and so happy that you can carry your child in your body. So I think. It's more better to be a woman than a man. Oh, I would be a tiger because I think that it's the most beautiful animal in the world. I would like to be a tiger.